I have here white simple A4 size paper which I have cut in different sizes. I have a large piece of 13 by 14 centimeters, one size smaller 9 by 11 centimeters, another size smaller 7 by 8 centimeters, and a small size 5 by 6 centimeters. I have made the squares in these sizes. These will be stencils. We will be using these as stencils. So we'll take one of these squares, we will fold it in half, and we will draw half of a butterfly on this. Like this, and we'll cut it out. Like this, we are going to make stencils, butterfly stencils, from this other 3 papers as well. After we have made the butterfly stencils, we'll take a stencil, put it on colored paper. We are going to use this stencil, draw over it. We'll cut this out, like this. After this, we'll take the 2 points where the wings start, and we will fold it over. That's the same that we're going to do on this side. Where the wings start, we'll fold it for the other side. And make a fold line on both sides like this. This is the same that we'll be doing with all the other papers that we have. Since this is a rainbow themed decoration, I'll be using papers in the colors of the rainbow. I have used blue, red, purple, orange, pink, green, and yellow, and we will make butterflies in all these colors. We'll make many butterflies. I have made 1 butterfly of the large size, 1 butterfly of the medium size, 2 butterflies of the small size, and 2 butterflies of the smallest size. Depending on the space you want to decorate, you can make more butterflies, less butterflies, according to your wish. This is then 1 large butterfly, 1 medium, 2 small, and 2 of the extra small. Like this, we are going to make butterflies in all these colors. I have here large thick paper, also known as cardboard paper, in rainbow color. I'm very happy I bought this, so I'm going to try this and make a wonderful wall decor with it. We'll draw the shape of our butterfly. After drawing half of a butterfly on it, we'll cut it out. After we have cut the large butterfly and the small butterflies, we are going to put double-sided tape on them and paste them on the wall. So I have placed double-sided tape on the back side of the butterfly, and we are going to paste this on the wall. After we have pasted the large butterfly, we'll take our small butterflies and we'll paste these. After we have pasted these, we'll paste the middle-sized butterflies. Next, we'll paste 1 size smaller. And lastly, we'll paste the smallest butterflies. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of my future decorations, then click on the red subscribe button so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my latest decorations. And do check all my other decorations on my channel, which you can find nowhere else on the internet. And I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special.